What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chet back at it again, guys, with another video. Today's video, I'm reacting to Slob Knob dance compilation, whatever. I've seen like a couple videos of these on Instagram or whatever, and you know, I'm gonna roll a clip on mine. You know what I'm saying? It's not this challenge, but you know what I'm saying. Me and my friend Angelica did this, so bam. Okay, yeah, that was that. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, I got distracted. But yeah, that's the reaction. Slob Knob dance challenge compilation. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, and turn on my post notifications. And let's get straight to it. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, that's loud. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. Shit. Hey, this sounds lit though. This sounds lit, bro. There's more light over here. I don't know. Ooh. Rocking the fro, I fuck with it. Where'd the other girl go? Hold up. Oh, they the same chick. Alright, so I looked away too fast. I didn't know they was the same chick. Hey, they on point with it. Oh well, they kinda got off point, but they was on point with it. Like that scoring over there. Put me in the car. Oh, she was smooth with it. She was smooth with it. Motherfucking love. That part just give me, man. That part just give me. He was more chill with it. He was like, Slob on me now. Let me go, sir. Fuck me in the car. Motherfucker law. Slob on me now. Let me go, sir. Fuck me in the car. Motherfucker law. I think she was in. She was in a video already. In this. Hey, what the? How the hell? Camera must just fell a little bit. Slob on me now. Let me go, sir. Fuck me in the car. Motherfucker law. Slob on me now. Let me go, sir. Fuck me in the car. Motherfucker law. La-di-da-di-da. Slob on me now. Let me go, sir. They lit. I wonder how the hell he got his hair like that. He probably had like the 2 braids at first. Motherfucker love. Slob on me now. Motherfucker love. Slob on me now. Slob on me now. Motherfucker love. Hey, I like her hair. Fuck me in the car. Motherfucker love. Yeah, that's Supreme headband. I always want one. But them bitches too much for just a Supreme, just for a headband. Slap on me now. It's up. Put me in the car. Motherfucker love. Slap on me now. Motherfucker love. Slap on me now. Put me in the car. I hope I'm saying the lyrics right, not just don't sound like a dumbass. I don't know what you say before fuck me in the car. I think you say it sounds like this. It just sounds like motherfucker love. Slap on me now. Fuck me in the car. Alright, YouTube, that's going to end the video off right there. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below, guys, what you want to see next. Turn on my post notifications. That's pretty much it. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. I'll see you guys later.